Piny owacho kwa mondo duok chien nengo mamalo ma oganda mapacho kae chulo mar yudo teko sitima, mabende ojachiwne jo ohala mauso pi. Jokanye sekta mar pi wacho ni nengo mamalo mar teko sitima koro miyo customers mage achiedh nade mathoth. Kalore gi gavana e kaunti ma Laikipia Joshua Irungu, dwarore mondo bag twak makende mar loso kod kambi mar Kenya Power ewi medruok mar teko sitima.
I know it's a bit chilly, but
tariffs, special tariffs have been given to other people. But when a special tariff is not given to the water companies, then it means people should not cry when we are talking about what tariffs being high. Because how else would you be able to sustain supply of water if it is not cost effective? You can't.
As we look ahead, I believe the future of utility management will not be defined by digitization alone. Every utility is becoming digital, and I know even here, all the utilities today are digital. But the real differentiator will how effective organizations transform data into intelligence, intelligence into decisions, and decisions into measurable impact.
and as he says, technology is in all aspects. Not smart meters, not the pumps. Everything now is smart. I think the last time Willow Grundfos presented for us in a bi-monthly meeting, where there is a smart pump that is able to tell that there is more power, it reduces, or there is less power, it asks for it, and sometimes sends an alarm and tells you, hey, kuna shida, there is somewhere, mimi sitaki kupasuka. And can you imagine a pump telling you, mimi sitaki kupasuka? That's where we are going.